Well, it's a beautiful time of year to be outdoors, especially now that it stays lighter later. But it's also a time when doctors, they're seeing more people injuring themselves, unfortunately. Well, with me today, we have Dr. Bradley Lamm. He is a foot and ankle surgeon on staff at the Paley Orthopedic and Spine Institute. That's at St. Mary's Medical Center and Palm Beach Children's Hospital. Doctor, you have an ankle here, obviously, but also a revolutionary way to get a total ankle replacement. It's called a full ankle replacement surgery. Tell me about it and what's new here.
Yeah, so this is a revolutionary type procedure where not only like most patients get hip replacements, knee replacements, now you can get an ankle replacement. And for many years we've been learning more and more about this challenging procedure of ankle replacement, but now you can get an ankle, a new ankle, if you're a candidate, you know, basically arthritis, previous injury, wear and tear. But this ankle basically is two metal components, one on one side, one on the other, and then there's a spacer in between.
Now, it's very complicated because you said you could do it in 2 hours, outpatient surgery, but there's a lot of complex small bones going on in that area. But so who becomes a good candidate for that surgery?
Yeah, so typically there's patients that are older than 50 years of age and have kind of wear and tear of their ankle. They could have rheumatoid arthritis. They could have previous injury. They could have some blood disorders that create this arthritis. And a lot of times we can do procedures that are minor, like scoping, cleaning up the spurs, injection of stem cells. But if those things don't work, ankle replacement is a great option.
And a quick recovery time?
Yeah, very quick. You can be on your feet in 6 weeks walking around, and then definitely back to sports in about 10 to 12 weeks.
That's what we like to hear, especially with spring training here and other games right around the corner. Thank you for joining us, Dr. Lamm.
Yeah, thank you for having me.
Pleasure. Well,